Hello everybody, it's Matthew with Gloucester University, and behind me is this beautiful 1968 GTO. This 68 GTO spent the better part of last year getting bodyworked and getting prepared for paint. I do want to let our viewers know that this vehicle was not painted in a professional paint booth. It was actually painted in a home garage. And because of that, there's a lot of dirt, there's a lot of texture, there's some inconsistencies in this vehicle that we are hoping to mitigate and level out during this sanding and paint correction process. We're going to get started today on our sanding, and we're going to be doing a lot of work, and we want to bring you guys along with the process of the sanding of this vehicle. So what I'm doing now before we get started is just laying out the blocks so I can establish some of the different shapes and the different sizes that we are going to encounter on this GTO. We're going to cut up some of the paper so we can get right to work. All right, everybody, we are done with our color sanding portion of this GTO. We are getting ready to start our paint correction process, so stay tuned for all of that because I am excited about it. It's the thing we love the most is the paint correction. Although we sand a lot of vehicles, the paint correction is where the real magic starts to unfold. So follow us along on this video. See you guys here real soon.